Hey y'all, I'm getting all set up, about to cook some dinner. Here's my pantry, and tonight I'm going to make some trout that I've never had before. But I've seen it. It reminds me of red snapper, and I love some red snapper. So here we go. Yeah, so we back here, and this is how I have it prepped so far. See the view? In the wild, baby. Yeah, in the wild. This is garlic salt. I thought it was garlic. So we're going to go light on here. And I'm actually going to use some mustard. But stay tuned. This part one of the dinner. I'll get back on because I need my hands. I'm older, so I'm not all into this, fancy videotaping and stuff.